This 2009 Winnebago View 24H is a Class C RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 24 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleeps 4, LP detector, smoke detector, refrigerator, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, water heater, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features rear bath. This 2009 Winnebago View 24H and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.